Your Spring service is marked transactional annotation. Data should roll back on error. But in production, it doesn't. Why? Because your transaction is being called the wrong way, and the AOP proxy never kicks in. Let's break it down. You have a Spring service with a transactional annotation method. It updates the database. An exception is thrown mid-operation. You expect a rollback, but your database shows partial updates. Data is corrupted. The method was private, or you called it from another method in the same class. Spring's AOP proxy never intercepted the call. No transaction boundary. No rollback. Silent failure in production. Spring wraps your bean in a dynamic proxy. When you call a public method from outside, the proxy intercepts it and creates a transaction boundary. But if you call a private method, the proxy cannot intercept it. Java's visibility rules prevent it. Worse, self-invocation. You call a public method from inside the same class. The proxy is bypassed. You're calling the real object, not the proxy. No transaction management. No rollback. This is the silent killer. Move your transactional annotation logic to a public method in a separate bean. Call it from outside. The proxy intercepts. Transaction boundary is created. Rollback works. Alternatively, inject the bean into itself and call the public method via the injected instance. This forces the call through the proxy. Before, silent corruption. After, guaranteed rollback on error. Data integrity restored. From 0% rollback on private calls down to 100% rollback on public calls via proxy. Complete transaction management restoration. If you want to detect these kinds of issues automatically in your Java apps, check out joptimize.io. Use code LinkedIn40 for 40% off. Subscribe for more Java performance, architecture, and security tips.